All right, this is our Brentwood location, located at 1802 Williamson Court. Go ahead and park in the parking lot. You're then going to come up to the front door. In your email, you're provided a 4-digit code. It's going to be that code, then star. And so that will unlock that main door. You're going to come right in and immediately go to Suite 100. You're going to then enter the code provided. If the door is locked, a lot of time this door is not locked, but go ahead and enter that code. And you'll hear the door unlock. Go ahead and enter. And we are the second door down the hallway. You'll see the CPR Lifeline. You're going to go ahead and then enter that code, the front door code again. When you come on in, go ahead and enter your RQI sign-on and password. You can then start your skills check with the mannequin. When you are done, do me a favor and wipe the mannequin off with the provided wipes. And just, if you could, tidy up the room for me, put the mannequin back together. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much and have a great day.